What's up, guys? This is Philly Storage RC. Today I got the Arma Big Rock 223S and the Traxxas Hoss 3S, and also a little mini ramp right here. And I'm gonna test her out today on these two rigs, 3S rigs. I got this, the link in the description below, so you know where to get the ramp at. The cars, RC Discount Superstore. I'm running both these bad boys on CNHL battery, 3S battery. One is running, the Hoss is running 9,000 milliamp battery, 120C. The Big Rock is running 8,800, 120C. Without any further ado, let's get into it. We're gonna start off with the Hoss because I haven't ran a Hoss in years. I just tuned it up and messed with the pinion gear, but I haven't driven it in a long time. I'm running all factory in here. Yo, them brakes is hard. Traxxas has always got hard brakes. And this is all factory, nothing upgraded, all factory. Yeah, running on a hot rod body. Got Proline tires on here. I don't remember which ones. I gotta stop the car and look. Hoss ain't no joke though. The Hoss is torquey though. It is torquey. I got lights on it, but you gotta remember I had this for years. Had this for years and years. That's that Traxxas stuff right there. Another thing to note, this is a comparison of between the cars, of course. But I love my Hoss. Don't get it twisted. Let's see if we can pull off a backflip. Perfect. Body didn't come off. Almost pulled that off. Just couldn't pull it off, pull it around all the way. Oh! Ooh. And she survived, knocked the battery out. Body didn't come off. I did hit it a little hard there. Perfect. What I'm expecting to happen, I expect the drive shaft to give on me. Yo, yeah, I like this ramp, man. I do like this ramp. So far, I like it. It's high, but it's not high enough. Too high. Perfect. And she made it. This ramp wasn't expensive. About 180. Around $180, 80 bucks, give or take. Whoa. Yeah, I'm pause on the jumps. The Hoss is the boss. This hot rod body though, I love this body. This thing is trying to mess it up. Handling ain't good, and you gotta realize this is all factory. I knew that was gonna happen. And I knocked the battery loose. I always like the Hoss. A lot of people don't. It's not as fast as the Big Rock, but just as fun. I want to get the hang of like going straight into the jump. Yo. Oh, I'm trying to brake so the tire can stop rolling. Like that would work, right? Hopefully the hex ain't 8 out, and it's sort of 8 out. It's sort of 8 out. Okay, and I got out the Big Rock. Got out the Big Rock. I hope this is a 3S battery because this thing is extra wiry right here. It should be a 3S battery. I don't want to break nothing today.
Oh, not good.
Arma tough. Come on now, the Hoss was landing them a little better now. You got to do better than that, homie.
Oh!
Damn. Yeah, these cars is tough though. Both of them tough as nails. Perfect. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. I used to couldn't jump where it cracked. Now I'm pretty good. Perfect. Dude, this got more power than the Hoss. Perfect. A lot more power than the Hoss. I swear this Big Rock is durable, man. This thing is very durable. Perfect.
Well done.
Yo. next run of this ramp is gonna be it's gonna be 4S cars. Then 6S cars. Perfect. It said it can handle up to 5th scales, but I kinda doubt it. Like, some of the 5th scales are heavy, so I don't think it'll be able to take that. Arma tough, baby. Yeah, I don't want to keep jumping. Yo. Y'all know me, man. I cannot stop. I like that squat in the back. This thing laid down. All right, that's enough. Whoa. I totally missed that. Boom! A double. Yo! I hope I caught that, man. Big Rock is no joke. I did a double on 3S. Ooh! Alright, let's call it a day before I break something. Boom! Yo, that was fun as hell. But the ramp is pretty good, man. It launches pretty well. It's wide enough, even though I'm tearing it up. But what you expect, I was going at it hard. So, as for the Big Rock is a beast. Big Rock held up nicely. The Hoss held up nicely, but the wheel came off. It could have been my fault, because like I told you, I haven't ran this in a while. And the last thing I'll be thinking about when I run cars is tightening the tires. That should be number one, though. But yeah, this is a nice little beginner's ramp. I guess you could say beginner's ramp. Nice little beginner's ramp. Not too high, not too low. Adjustable. I want to see if I can lift it up higher, but that's in the, upcoming. Easy portable. You can fold it. It folds up, so you can put it anywhere in your house. Like, it won't take up too much room at all. Yeah, it fit in the back of my trunk with no problem. And you see I already got stuff in there. I had 3 cars and the ramp back there, and this is a car trunk. But yeah, they both performed awesome. The Big Rock got more power, so you know it pushed out more. The Hoss didn't have enough push. I got a double. I mean, I got a nice backflip with the Hoss, but not a double. I pulled off a double with the Big Rock there. That was awesome. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. More coming soon, and I'm out.
Say hello to my little friend.